Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start going on the Kia, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2011 Kia Sorento 2.4. So right now the current check engine light code is P2188. System too rich at idle. Now too rich means too much fuel, not enough air. If it's too lean, it would be too much air, less fuel. Now let me see, I'm gonna turn on the car. I'm gonna read the data, the misfire data. Now a couple things for the code too rich. So you basically check for dirty engine air filter, bad mass airflow sensor, bad spark plug. So those are the things that you, just a basic check for the too rich. So dirty engine air filter, which clogging the air from coming in, so that would be less air. Now it's more fuel. So basically I'm gonna explain it this way, make it simple. So it's 50% air, 50% fuel. So for it to mix, so make it that way for you guys to understand. So 50% fuel, 50% air. Now let's say the dirty engine air filter is clogged up, so there's less air coming in now, so there's more fuel now. So it's kind of like that. You guys get the basic step. So I'm reading right now, the misfire data to see if there's weak spark or no spark, there would be more fuel. So right now I have the engine idle. I'm gonna rev it up a couple times, give it some load to see if it any misfire reading. I'm gonna hold it at 2,000 or 3,000 to see anything change. No, nothing changed at all. You want to check the like I said, check the engine air filter. Oh, there's slightly you can see misfire right there on cylinder 4, number 4. It says 1 right there. So I'm holding my gas pedal around 2500 RPM, and you can see number 4 cylinder is misfiring. Now I'm letting go of the gas, let it idle, see if it goes down. See, it goes down. Give it a couple rev. Nothing. So for this, you check the ignition coil and the spark plug. Now I already checked the engine air filter. The engine air filter is kind of dirty, and then I checked the spark plug. Now you can see, let me focus on, so I took this one out of number 4. So you can see the spark plug is really bad, super old. Now I'm gonna show you to check. For sure I'm gonna replace the spark plug, but I wanna check the ignition coil on number 4, make sure that it's not bad too. So what I did is I put a Sharpie number on number 4 right here, and then I'm gonna swap it with number 1. Now I marked number 1 right here. Now the reason why I do this is because I want to check the ignition coil. So you know how the when I use the scanner to read the data, it's misfiring number 4. So this is number 4 spark plug. So this is for sure I'm gonna change it. So I want to check the ignition coil, make sure. Now I switch number 4 to number 1. Now if number 1 before in the scanner, number 1 did not misfire at all. Now if I want to check the ignition coil, I'm gonna switch number 4 to number 1. Now if number 1 is misfiring right now, when I go back to read on the scanner, that means the ignition coil is also bad too. So that's how you check the ignition coil. Now that's with the scanner. Now if you don't have the scanner, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have this connected to the coil. Make sure all the other one disconnected. Which one you want to test, have that one connected and have all the other one disconnected, because you don't want the car to start. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have somebody inside the car crank it, put this to ground, and if it sparks out of here, then the ignition coil is good. but sometimes when it sparks, you can see the further you put it, and if it still sparks, that means the ignition coil is good. But if you put it further, sometime it sparks and sometime it doesn't. That means the ignition coil is weak. And make sure when it sparks evenly. So that's when you know it's a good coil. Now let me read the data again. Since I swapped the ignition coil, I'm gonna read the misfire data again. So I swapped number 4 coil to number 1 coil. Number 4 spark plug is still in number 4 spark plug. I didn't change the spark plug. I only swapped the 4 to 1, 1 to 4, just to read the data again. So if it's misfiring on number 1 now, that means the ignition coil is bad on number 4. But if it doesn't misfire, then the ignition coil is good. There you go. So now we're gonna see. So I swapped number 4 to number 1. Now number 1 coil to number 4. Now if number 1 right here is misfiring, that means the ignition coil is bad too. So I'm gonna wrap it up a couple times. Sometimes you gotta sit here and press the gas, or like hold it for about like at least 2 to 3 minutes to see if the if the misfire occurred again. If it actually happening. Come on, show me a misfire. So I'm holding my RPM at 2500 right now to see if it misfire. Oh, so it misfire on number 4. You can see a misfire on number 4 right there. So that means the spark plug is bad, not the ignition coil, because I didn't swap the spark plug yet. Now for the tab right here for the ignition coil connector, pull this locking tab back, press on this tab right here, and then pull. You can see I still have my number 1 ignition coil on number 4 cylinder. So the ignition coil on number 4 is good. This is still good, isn't it? It's just that the spark plug is bad. Now let me show you. You can see number 4 I still have on cylinder number 4, and on the data it was misfiring 4, so that's mean the spark plug is bad, not the coil. So I'm gonna take them all out. They're all bad, I'm pretty sure. Yep, they're all bad. I'm gonna take number 2, number 3 out. Engine air filter is dirty too. Yep, you can see number 2 is bad too. Take out number 3. Yep, number 3 is bad too. Ooh, we got a little bit of oil on top. So this one valve cover could be bad too. It's leaking a little bit of oil inside of the spark plug. Now unclip the bottom one on this side, and then get the filter out. Yeah, I got my new spark plug here. This is my new one right here. It's the old one, same thing, same body, same everything. This is the part number for the spark plug, and then this is the part number for the new engine air filter. Now you can see the old one, half of this side is okay, but this side, I don't know why half of this side is so dirty. So I'm just gonna change it. Now I got all the new spark plug in already. So for the spark plug, all you gotta do is just, so this is tight, so just snug it a little bit, And that's it, good to go. And then I put my original coil number 4 to number 4. I already put my new air filter in already. So after I put in the new spark plug and the air filter, and then I'll show you the misfiring data on the scanner again. Right now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code one more time. I'm gonna clear it, and then I'm gonna show you the data again. No more misfiring. So right there, that's the code, P2188. System too rich at idle. Very common issue. So I'm gonna clear it. Clear. There you go. Turn it off. Start the car. There you go. Taking kind of long crank. That's weird. Try it again. There you go. Data. So I'm gonna go back to the data. So with the new spark plug and all the ignition coils are still in good condition, there shouldn't be any more misfiring. Before with the bad spark plug, it takes about like 10 seconds for me to hold the gas pedal for it to start misfiring. So right now it's idle, so I'm gonna tap the gas a couple times. Hold my idle at 2500 to 3000. There shouldn't be any more misfiring. It should be 0. So I'm still holding it at 3000. Still 0. Let's try it again. Give it a couple tap on the gas. And then I'm gonna hold it 2500. No more misfire, you guys can see. So everything is good. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see y'all in the next video. Peace.